Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get yellow petals in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and look for these dandelion flowers. And once you find them, I don't want you to go ahead and press F to pick them up. What I need you to do is actually grab a hatchet. If you don't have a hatchet, what you need to do is just press tab on your keyboard, and then that will open up pocket crafting, and then here you'll actually see the hatchet. I want you to click on that. Make sure you have 2 pieces of any rubble, 2 pieces of plant fiber, 2 pieces of stick, and then I want you to craft this. Once you have it crafted, what I want you to do is actually equip your hatchet. I want you to go up to this dandelion, and I want you to left click on it. And as you can see, it actually drops yellow petals. So if I show you right here, it is in my inventory. And that is how to get yellow petals in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.